Hey, my name is James from Oko, and if you don't know, Oko is an app to help blind and low vision folks have a better and safer experience when crossing streets and having more accessible pedestrian crossing. Let's get familiar with what the app has to offer. When you open the app, you'll be greeted with a message that tells you to hold your phone up in order for it to see what's happening around you. Specifically, it's looking for a pedestrian crossing to relay the information. On the bottom left, you'll find a few options, including a question mark. When you tap on that, you'll find more detailed instructions on how to use the app, along with the best practices to get pedestrian signal feedback.
Don't walk signal. Don't walk signal. Walk signal. Walk signal. Countdown signal. Countdown signal.
Below the question mark option, still on the bottom left, you'll find an option to report a mistake. Hopefully you don't run into any, but in case you do, you can just send us the feedback. You're also able to check if you would like a response via email, and that way we can follow up and figure out what's going on. Back in the main screen of the app, upper right hand corner, that's going to lead to settings. Here you can refer friends, leave a review, view your rewards and achievements, adjust preferences for the camera, you can adjust levels for audio and haptic feedback, as well as make adjustments to your privacy settings. And of course, there's an option to leave feedback and more detailed instructions in a Q&A that leads right to the Eyes website. Of course, the app is free and you can download it from the Apple App Store, and don't forget to go with Oko.